Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make lamb curry, Indian recipe. Let's start. First step, we have half kilo of lamb. We cut small piece. We add all the spices with 3 tablespoons of oil. We marinate. We leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now in the pan we add the oil, we add the lamb, we mix it for 1 minute and we cover, we leave it in the medium heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we add 2 pieces of onion, we cut it small, with garlic, we mix it very well and we cover, we leave it for 10 minutes more. Now we add 1 piece of tomato, we cut small, with 1 cup of tomato sauce, we mix it well for 1 minute. And we add half cup of water and 1 small spoon of salt. We cover and we leave it for 10 minutes more in the medium heat. Last step, we add some fresh coriander, we mix it and we leave it in the low heat for 5 minutes. Totally, we cook our food around 35 to 40 minutes. Our food, it's ready for served, can serve with the rice. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next